Hi, I'm Dr. Courtney Weems, and I am from Chicago Concierge Pediatrics. I am board certified in pediatrics, and I'm also a fellow of the American Academy of Pediatrics. I am here today answering some of your COVID-related questions. The next question is, how do I keep my baby's hands clean when they're learning to crawl or walk? This is a particularly tough age because everything they want to touch, everything they want to put in their mouth, and it's hard to keep the areas clean, and it's hard to keep their hands clean. And it's difficult to wash their hands as well. So what I would say, my advice would be, is to keep the surfaces as clean as possible. So keeping tabletops, countertops, their seats where they eat, keeping those extremely clean with products that are proven to fight COVID, like Lysol or Clorox. And then what I do after I wipe down with those harsh chemicals is I then wipe again with water. So I let that dry and then I wipe again with water. So that way, if I'm putting anything directly onto their mat, then it's not like a Clorox filled sort of surface. And again, once it's dry, it is safe. So just cleaning it off with some water is fine. For their hands, I wash their hands as frequently as possible. I recommend washing their hands and their toys as frequently as possible. And then if you're out and about, like on a walk, and they're doing the same thing, you can use wipes. You can use your own diaper wipes, or you can use Purell, just to get you until you get home. So just really stringent cleaning is the best advice I can give for this age group. All right, thanks.